Good evening. Today I bring you a delicious and healthy dish. You can call it scrambled eggs with cabbage, which is a dish very suitable for fitness enthusiasts. Ingredients: cabbage, 1 carrot, 3 eggs, a little onion, ginger and garlic.
First, we cut the cabbage into strips and put them on a plate for later use. Generally, half a cabbage is enough. Cut the carrots into shreds and place them on a plate. Chop the onions, ginger, and garlic and put them in a bowl for later use. Beat the prepared eggs into a bowl. Add a little white vinegar, stir, and beat evenly. Okay, now that all the preparations are done, it's time to start cooking. First, wait for the pan to heat up and pour in some cooking oil. When the oil temperature rises, pour in the prepared eggs. Fry the eggs and set aside after they are cooked. After the eggs are served, pour in a little cooking oil. And then immediately pour in the prepared chopped onions, ginger, and garlic. Stir-fry the onions, ginger, and garlic until fragrant. Then add the cabbage and carrot shreds and stir-fry. After the vegetables are fried until soft, pour in the eggs that were previously poured out, and add a little salt, chicken essence, sugar, soy sauce, etc. for seasoning.